India's role as a reliable mediator in conflicts across the globe has emerged strongly in recent times. Further, the ability of PM Modi led India to take conflicts to a logical conclusion and not take matters to unnecessary escalation, as seen in the case of Operation Sindoor, strengthened its credibility. In the backdrop of yesterday's Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky's calling PM Modi over the phone, where the former appealed to India's support to peace efforts in the Russia-Ukraine conflict. Zelensky's call to the Indian PM holds much significance as it comes 4 days ahead of the Trump-Putin meet slated in Alaska on Friday. But Zelensky's faith in India shows the level of trust he keeps in PM Modi. And this is not the first time a foreign leader has approached PM Modi. Very recently, Brazil's President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva first reaction after Trump led the United States imposed heavy tariffs on his country was that he would talk to Modi in this regard. This shows how much the world keeps trust in PM Modi. Even in the case of the ongoing Palestinian-Israeli conflict, India's stand has been supportive of a two-state solution which backs an independent state of Palestine with secure borders, living in peace alongside the country of Israel. In the case of the recent Thailand-Cambodia conflict too, India, while urging both warring sides to end the conflict immediately, has asserted that it keeps friendly relations with both nations. India's take on the Armenia-Azerbaijan conflict is that of ending conflict with diplomatic negotiations. There is no denial of the fact that India today has a strong foreign policy, unlike Congress's days when India used to follow the dictates of world superpowers, as seen in the 1971 Indo-Pak conflict, when the then PM Indira Gandhi was seen seeking US President Nixon's intervention. Trump may say 100 times that he is playing a key role as a mediator in several conflicts across the world, but the truth is for everyone to see. World faith in PM Modi has increased many-fold in recent years, and PM Modi himself has stood up to the reputation of a world leader.